Good morning all. I am Patam from Gnanaji Vidyapith, Chanda. So students, today we'll start unit number 4th. In that unit we have to start the worksheet number 1, but before starting worksheet number 1 we have to do some revision here. Now students, here is a students with the 100 marks in maths by class at Lead School. So here is a class 1 to 4 and number of the students is there. Okay. Now class students with the 100 marks in the maths. कौन सा subject था students? This subject is the math subject. Okay. So now students, what we have to do? We can count the number of the students using the tally mark. So one students we have to do one line, then two standing line, three students, three standing line, still 5. And when the 5 students is there, we have to cross it out there. Okay. And again 6 students, we have to draw one line. Now, so in that class 1, number of the students 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we have to draw 6 line and one cross it out line. Then again 5 3 7 and 5. So students, we have to write like this: student 6, student 5, 3 7 and 5. Class 1, number of the students 6, class 2, number of the student 5, class 3rd, number of the student 3rd, class 4, number of the students 7, class 5th, number of the students 5th. Then we have to tally mark like this. Okay. And then now, how many students in the class first got 100 marks in the maths? So we have to write 6 students. Second one question: which two class have 5 students who got 100 marks in the maths? So class 2 and class 5th. Class 2 and class 5th. Then we can represent the data in the pictorial form using a pictograph. Okay, so here so students, class 1 6 5 3 7 and 5 students. Now we have to show this as a pictorial form. So we have to choose one object that this is an object. Now in this the smallest number is a 3 and the largest number is a 7. We can choose the scale as a one object, that means one student. Now, so class 1 6 students, so we have to draw the 6 object. 5 students, we have to draw the 5 object. 3 students, we have to draw the 3 object. 7 students, we have to draw 7 students. 5, so we have to draw 5 object. Next, now here some answer the questions we have to give. Which class has more students 100 marks in the maths? So that one is a class 4th. Which class is there? Class 4, because of there is a 7 students is there. Then next question: which class has the least number of the students with the 100 marks? So class 3rd is there. Now students, one more example is here. In that example, sport, cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi and basketball. Okay, so we can choose a scale as a 1 person is equal to 100 students and 15 students half boys. Okay, now here 700 students, so cricket 700, so here we have to draw 7 person. 400 we have to draw 4 person. 315, so we have to draw 3.5 picture. 300 we have to draw 300. 150, so we have to do 1 person and 1 half. Got it? So like this, students, we have to show the number as a pictorial form. Now we'll start worksheet number 1. Students, you have to write this in your maths rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 1. Okay, students, now we'll start worksheet number 1, data handling method. So here one method is here. That method is related to telemarks. That method is related to telemark. So here is a we use telemarks and pictograph represent raw data फॉर ईजी एनालिसिस. डेटा को ईजीली एनालिसिस करने के लिए हम टेलीमार्क्स एंड पिक्टोग्राफ का यूज़ करेंगे. सो इन दैट स्टूडेंट्स आई विल शो यू हियर. लुक एट दिस रो डेटा एंड टेलीमार्क्स. नाउ हियर मंथ, number of the apples grow up. So in that January month there is a 10 apples, February month 14 apples, March month 20 apples, and April month 15 apples. Now this data we have to show as a telemark. How we have to show, students? As a telemark. So what we have to do? So telemarks, we have to write the number of the month and number of the apples grow up. So in a January month, how many apples are there, students? 10 apples. So we have to draw the 4 standing line and 1 slanting line. Again 4 standing line and 1 slanting line. So this show as a 10 apple. Then February month, there is a 14th apple. So what we have to do? We have to draw standing line 4, cross it out. Again standing line 4, cross it out. So 5 plus 5 10. Again standing line, cross it out 15. Again standing line 4, cross it out 20. Again 4 standing line, cross it out 25. Again standing line, cross it out 30. Again standing line, cross it out 35. Again standing line, cross it out 40. So February month 40 apples are there. March month 20 apples. So we have to draw the standing line, cross it out. We have to draw 4 standing line, cross it out. Again 4 standing line, cross it out. Again 4 standing lines, cross it out. And April month 15 apples. So 1, 2 and 3 times we have to draw the 4 standing line and then cross it out there. So April month 15 apples. So like this, students, we have to show these things as a telemark. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to write this in your rough. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next pictograph. So students, when we have to show the object as a pictograph, so first we have to decide the scale. That means if here we are using the apple, right? So we have to draw the apple. So what is meaning of the one apple? So we have to decide the scale that one apple is equal to, if we are doing the one apple, draw the one apple, that's called the 10 apples, and half apples, that's called the 5 apples. Okay, now see students, here January months 10 apples grow up, but here we have to draw only one apple. February month there is a 14 apples are there, but here we have to draw only 4 apples because one apple is equal to 10 apples. March month there is a 2 apples are there. March month there is a 2 apples are there. So 20 apples is there. So here we have to do 2 apples. April month there is a 15 apples is there, but here we have to do 1.5 apple because half apples that show that 5 apples and 1 apple that show is a 10 apples. Got it, students? Now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your rough book. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start second one worksheet number 2. Okay, students, in our worksheet number 2, bar graph is there. So we have also learned about the bar graph as another method to represent data. बार ग्राफ से भी हम डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. हाउ इट इज़? सो हियर इज़ द फर्स्ट बार ग्राफ. नंबर स्टूडेंट्स फेवरेट जूस इज हियर. सो रेड जूस 2 students. नाउ सी रेड जूस 2 students, ऑरेंज जूस 8 students, येलो जूस 10 students, पर्पल जूस 6 students. Now scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students. 1 centimeter is equal to how many students are? 5 students is there. Okay, so here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 50, 12. So students, this data we have to show as a bar graph. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बार ग्राफ. Okay, and this is called bar. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? बार. Now another things I'll show you here. Then I'll show you parts of the bar graph. Favorite sports. So here number of the students. Okay, number of the students 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. And then basketball, cricket, football, tennis, badminton. This is the sport items is here. So now black and red, what they are showing to us? Black, that means girls, and red, that means boy. And 1 centimeter is equal to how many students are there? 20 students. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 students are there. Okay, so here basketball there is a 13 students, 13 girls, and here 79 boys. In the basketball, cricket, there is a 10 students, and in a cricket there is a 19 boys. Football, there is a 5, there is a 16 girls and 16 boys. Then tennis, that is the 15 girls and 75 boys. Badminton, there is a 16 boys and 16 girls and 62 boys are there. Okay, so like that we have to show the data as a bar graph. Now students, you have to draw this in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you a bar graph. Now students, bar of parts of bar graph. Okay, so in that, now this line is called y-axis count. इस लाइन को हम क्या काउंट करेंगे? एज अ कोई भी काउंटिंग होगा वो y एक्सिस पे होता है. दिस लाइन शो टू अस x एक्सिस. कैटेगरी, कोई भी कैटेगरीज होगी, वी हैव टू राइट इट हियर. देन स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द फेवरेट जूस, सो दिस इज अ टाइटल. टेल व्हाट्स द ग्राफ इज अबाउट. ग्राफ किसके रिलेटेड है तो वो हमें कैसे मालूम होगा? एज अ टाइटल. अगर टाइटल नहीं होगा तो हमें ग्राफ किसके रिलेटेड है वो कभी भी मालूम नहीं होगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ टाइटल, students of the favorite juice, and then high bar. This is a bar. Okay, so this called the bar, and highest to bar count category for the count for that the category. Now this is the highest bar, so इसको हम काउंटिंग कैटेगरी को काउंट करने के लिए हाईएस्ट बार का भी यूज होता है. But students, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. So this is a scale. यहाँ पे हमें scale decide करना compulsory है. Okay. So 1 centimeter of bar is equal to how many actual count. हमें कितने count करने वो हम easily समझ पाते हैं. Now I'll give you 1 minute to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 1 and 2. That worksheet you have to write in your maths notebook and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Complete your work and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Bye everyone, have a nice day.